This video gonna show you how to clone MPS6 Gearbox computer. You can click Help document to check connection information. Check the required accessories. Install MPS6 interface board. Short circuit CAN resistor on the OBP-ICP adapter to the CAN to our joint side. Connect ACDP host, adapter, and gearbox. Open Mini ACDP app. Choose Jaguar Land Rover. Choose Gearbox Clone. Choose Freelander. Choose MPS6. Choose Full Backup Date. Please remember to check the module information. Please save the chip state file. Please note the file name contains the operation date and chip's model. Click Save in the lower right corner. Backup chip state finished. Connect another MPS6 gearbox and prepare to write the original date. Choose Full Write Date. Check the module information. Please select chip state file. Choose full date we saved in the previous step. Follow the instruction and click Continue. Write chip state finished. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.